In this video, I'll be showing you how you can set up monthly automated savings transfer to other banks in Jamaica. Now, I'll be demonstrating this using the NCB Online platform. The steps are pretty much similar with other local banks. So the first thing you want to do is have your transfer information at hand. Your bank's name, the branch, account number, and account type. Right, so what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to log in to demonstrate the process. So I'm going to sign in. So the first step is to add your beneficiary. So typically you'd go to transactions, then you can go to manage beneficiary. So you typically have three options: transfer to the same bank, transfer to the other bank, and transfer to international accounts. So you're going to select other bank accounts. Then you're going to select add beneficiary. You're going to provide the banking details and then go ahead and select save. So I'm going to demonstrate the next step with an existing beneficiary that I have already added. So you're going to go back to transaction, go to transfer funds. So here I'm going to be selecting other bank for the transfer. The transaction type is going to be ACH. This is for basically next day processing. Select the account that you want to make the transfer from monthly. Then select the payee. So I'm going to select my account from the drop down. Specify how much you want to transfer. Let's say $10. And you're going to look for frequency type. This is where you're going to make the decision to set it to reoccurring. You have different frequencies that you can choose from. So we're going to look for monthly because we want to transfer a monthly saving. You're going to select a start date, let's say the 29th of every month. So the next step is to determine when your transaction stops, right? So for the number of installments, you can say the next 1,000 installments, or you can say the next 3 years time, right? So for example, 2030, and then I'm going to select a date. Right, and then select continue. Review your transaction and then basically submit. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or comment.